Good day, ma'am. We are the presenters, Rain Ivan Villegas, 20 Sumawa, and Christian Aypeka. Presenting our research title, Understanding the Social Dynamics of Tourism in Cagayan Beach, in Tinambag, Camarines Sur. A research study of local stakeholders and tourists. Our introduction is identifies Cagayan Beach as a key site and emerging destination. Highlights the core problem, complex social interaction between stakeholders and tourists. Shows both positive impacts, jobs, cultural revival, and negative effects. Define the focus of the study, social dynamics among local stakeholders and visitors. Our study focuses on Cagayan Beach, an emerging tourist destination in the Bicol region. It examines the complex social interactions between local stakeholders and tourists, highlighting both positive impacts such as job creation and cultural revival, and negative effects like inequality and cultural commodification. Overall, this study aims to understand the social dynamics between the local community and visitors. Next is statement of the problem. Our SOP focuses on understanding how tourism affects Cagayan Beach. Specifically, we examine how residents and stakeholders perceive tourism, whether it strengthens or divides the community, and how locals and tourists interact. We also explore how to meet tourist expectations while preserving local culture and the environment.
So now, let's proceed to the statement of the problem or SOP. Problem number 1. How do residents and stakeholders of Cagayan Beach perceive tourism? Problem number 2. Does tourism threaten their social fabric or create divisions? Problem number 3. What does the relationship between visitors and local look like, and how does this balance of power dictate participation in the industry? And problem number 4, how can traveler expectations be met without compromising local cultural norms or the environment? Next is the objectives. This research aims to, first, understand how residents and business owners in Cagayan Beach feel about the social changes tourism brings. Next is the examine everyday exchanges, economic, cultural, and social between tourism and the community. Assess how tourism shapes local identity and social unity. And develop strategies for sustainable tourism that minimize social benefits while minimizing negative impacts.
The main objective of our research is to understand the social impact of tourism on the community. We aim to identify how residents and business owners feel about tourism, examine interaction between locals and visitors, assess its effects on local identity and unity, and propose sustainable strategies that maximize benefits while reducing negative impacts. So next is methodology. Our research design is the study uses a quantitative, descriptive, comparative design to assess tourism dynamics in Cagayan Beach through stakeholder and tourist questionnaire. Our research method is the study employs a survey using a 5-point Likert scale to assess social interactions, benefits, impacts, and community cohesion. Logo of the study, Cagayan Beach Barangay Cagiliog, Tinambag, Camarines Sur, known for its growing ecotourism activities. So our respondents is residents, vendors, tourism workers, and tourists visiting Cagayan Beach. So data collection. Formal approval will be secured from the LGU of Tinambag and management of Cagayan Beach. Questionnaires will be distributed to both locals and tourists. Data will be tabulated and analyzed using Jamovi statistics software. So, statistical and analytical tools. First, percentage and frequency count. Describe demographic profiles. Second is weighted mean. Determine overall perception. And lastly, students, test, and Mann-Whitney U-test. Compare perception of locals and tourists.
And that's all. Thank you.